world? It's your girl, Miss Misty B, and you know where you at. You live and directing in the kitchen. Today I have something special for you. My sweet and spicy fruit and veggie salad. Great for outdoor events, barbecues, main entree, side dishes, you name it, this dish fits it. Stay tuned. I'm gonna go get changed and we're gonna come back and get this party started. You know where you at. You're in the kitchen with your girl, Miss Misty B. All right, guys, let's talk about the fresh ingredients that we're gonna be using. Green onions, serrano peppers, cilantro, yellow, orange, and red sweet peppers, lemons, cherry tomatoes, blueberries, green apples, watermelon, basil, celery, red onion, fresh ginger, and garlic. I'm gonna start by chopping down the green onion. You guys know that you can substitute. You can just stick with the red onion. You can use a white onion. You can also go with no onions at all. Let's get to chopping, people. So let's do a thin chop. I'm just about done chopping down my green onions. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and start chopping down my celery and the rest of the veggies, and we're gonna get them in the bowl. All right, veggies are chopped down. So we have half of a small of red onion, 2 serrano peppers, 1 with seeds, 1 without, yellow, orange, red sweet peppers, 2 of each, 3 sticks of celery, 1 bunch of green onions. That's about a medium piece of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic. Chopped down, and let's get them on in the bowl. We're gonna do 1 carton of cherry tomatoes. Oh, it's smelling good in here, y'all. Y'all see that? Oh, that beautiful, beautiful color. Woo! All right, it is time to chop down our fruit. Quick tip, guys, when picking your watermelon, all you have to do is give it a couple of taps around the watermelon. If you hear a nice hollow sound, that's a good one. Go ahead and pick it. And start with the chop down. My fruit is all chopped down. Get the watermelon in the bowl. Quick tip about apples. Ice bath them. Once you start chopping them down, if you're not ready to actually use them, put a little water, a little ice, put it in a pot, dump the apples in, let them sit, and they will not turn brown on you. Little quick tip. Let's go ahead, get these apples in. It's looking good, guys. Smelling delicious. Can't forget about those blueberries. Wait a minute. Get those on in. And that was 1 carton of blueberries, 4 Granny Smith apples, half of a watermelon. All right. Stir that around. Look at all those colors coming to life. Oh my God. Now tell me if that is not something. Now you guys are probably thinking, this girl put fruits and veggies together. Yes, it's a great way also for parents. If your kids don't like eating veggies, put it in with some fruit and see how they react. I bet you they'll eat this. All right, just want to get that mixed down a little bit. Let's go into seasoning. We're gonna do a can of chopped black olives. Dump that on in. And that's 2 bunches of basil chopped down. Get that in. 1 bunch of cilantro, chopped down. You have a small bag of sliced almonds, pecans, and cashews. Dump that right on in. Then we're gonna go ahead and season with Himalayan pink salt, 1 heavy pinch, 2 heavy pinch, 3. Right, gotta have that pink Himalayan salt, brings out the flavors of the fruits and the veggies. That's just a little bit of organic raw sugar. I know you're asking, why is she putting sugar on fruit? It still just sometimes needs a little help when you're doing a fruit and veggie salad. So it doesn't hurt to add a little bit of sugar. That is that Creole seasoning. 3 pinches of that. We have 3 lemons. Let's get that juice of 3 lemons going. Last of my lemon juice. Boom. I like a little orange zest. This is a mandarin orange. You can also do a regular orange if you like. I would recommend zesting the whole mandarin orange if you're gonna have a salad of this size. And also remember with me, when you're in the kitchen with Miss Misty B, substitutions are always okay. You can always add cucumbers to this dish. You can take out Granny Smith apples and put Fuji red apples if you like. You can do all type of things as far as the substituting. Whatever you like, you can do in this dish. One more nice stir. And you see I haven't even added much of any salad dressing, and the juice from the lemon and the vegetables, particularly the watermelon, is already giving us the dressing that we need. It smells delicious. This is a great meal that you can take to the beach, that you can have in the summertime, spring, winter, fall, really. You can also pair this with wines. I like the white wine, a good Moscato, a good white Zin. Put a couple of little berries in the wine with it. Why not? Make sure that you tune in to some of my great cocktail videos coming up soon. Let's go, guys. It smells delicious. Look at that. There it is. So I'm going to still take a little bit of the mandarin, do a little zest on top, and you see how it also adds that pretty color right on top. Of course, you know I love my cracked black pepper, so I'm just going to go in. This is optional. And one of my favorite dressings is a seasoned rice vinaigrette. Love, love, love. So this is totally optional, you guys, but I like to drizzle just a little bit on top. Beautiful. Gotta get some of that Fuji green apple, the watermelon, the cherry tomato. Here we go. Oh my God, guys. One more. It makes me so happy. Guys, this is such a delicious dish. Also, it's great topped with goat cheese or feta or blue cheese. The robust flavor of the ginger, the basil, and the cilantro is to die for. I hope you guys have enjoyed my sweet and spicy fruit and veggie salad. I hope it inspires you to do something fun. Make one of your own, but definitely try it and let me know what you think about it. You know where you're at. You're in the kitchen with your girl, Miss Misty B.